In front of me is REALME 10, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this REALME. Begin by opening settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on battery section. Following that, choose advanced settings. Click on performance mode. And finally, tap on high performance mode. Lastly, you need to choose turn on in the pop-up, and as you can see now, high performance is on. If you wish to switch it off, click on any other option. I will go with smart. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!